China is rapidly establishing itself as a global leader in robotics, driven by a surge in AI integration, low-cost manufacturing, and expanding industrial demand, according to recent reports from Moody's Ratings and Morgan Stanley. The country has installed more than 50% of the world's industrial robots since 2021, averaging 280,000 new units annually. Its robot density rose nearly four-fold in 6 years, reaching 470 units per 10,000 workers in 2023, second only to South Korea. China also dominates in market share, accounting for 40% of global robotics sales. The sector is projected to grow from $47 billion in 2023 to $108 billion by 2028, expanding at an annual rate of 23%, Morgan Stanley reported. Much of the momentum comes from China's pivot toward high-tech industries such as electric vehicles, solar panels, and battery production. In 2023, the country produced 12.9 million new energy vehicles, up 34%, 29 billion lithium-ion batteries, up 20%, and 685 gigawatts worth of solar panels, up 27%. Automation is accelerating across manufacturing as firms respond to labor shortages and rising costs. Smart factories, enhanced by 5G, sensors, and AI, are improving productivity and quality control. International firms are expanding local operations. Swiss engineering firm ABB this month unveiled 3 AI-enabled robot lines at its Shanghai megafactory, targeting mid-sized and smaller manufacturers. China also leads in humanoid robotics. The country filed 5,688 humanoid-related patents over the past 5 years, nearly 4 times more than the US. Analysts forecast a major wave of adoption in late 2025, led by state-backed purchases from automakers and telecom firms. Moody's projects China could operate over 300 million humanoids by 2050, compared with 78 million in the US. The global humanoid market is expected to reach $5 trillion. Meanwhile, Chinese robot makers are expanding globally and gaining share at home. Domestic firms now hold 47% of the industrial robot market, up from 29% in 2015, while foreign brands' share has dropped to 53%. Despite the boom, analysts warn of long-term challenges, including labor displacement and the misuse of autonomous systems. Still, China's trajectory suggests it will remain a central force in shaping the future of robotics.